So to our guest speakers, to all of you, congratulations, apay. Kunak na importante ti contribution nyo. Why? Baguio has been declared as a creative city by the UNESCO. A creative city for crafts and folk arts. And one of the major contributors was the wood carving industry, which is pioneered by the Ifugao. Malagip ko, niya po nauyak idi. Iso na tibay sa nga advocate, iti culture ti Ifugao through wood carving. Iso nga gapo data, creative city iti Baguio. That is the lasting contribution of the Ifugaos in Baguio, the wood carving industry. And then, so nga ko nada, da kayo nga taga-Ifugao, nalaing kayo nga garamit ni tao. Paiso! Hal nga anak ti istoryan tayo, the wood carving yung nga gararamit ni tao. But sana, with that contribution you have to the culture of the city of Baguio, hala nga physical nga gararamit ti tao ti Ifugao, agararamit mat iti kontribusyon da, iti kultura, iti syudad ti Baguio. Your industry is now embedded in the culture, creative culture of the city of Baguio. Because we cannot speak of a culture without the wood carving industry, which is propagated primarily ti taga Ifugao. Hala ko mga tao tera namin ninyo, DJ kultura tayo, i-enlarge you, i-expand you, i-uplift you with the contributions of taga Ifugao. So with that we say, long live ti taga Ifugao dito in Baguio! Long live Kanyayo amin, Baguio! Kanyayo!
Thank you, ma'am. Yan. So, next in line, we'll call the staff of Councilor Leandro Yangot to read the message of support coming from Councilor. Ms. Desiree Jane Dumanio.
Hello po! Happy Ifugao Day, everyone!